Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to use reward points on McDonald's application. So in order to do it, you first of all need to download and install the McDonald's application in your device, and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now on the home page you will see the rewards tab, so you need to simply tap on that, and here you will see your available balance. So every dollar that you spend is going to earn you points, and you can then trade them for free food. So you need to scroll through the rewards menu and you need to pick what you want. For example, you can get free fries for 1500 points, and you can get a Big Mac for 6000 points. So once you have selected your reward, you need to simply tap on the redeem option, and you will see a QR code or a 4-digit code. So be quick as the code expires in a few minutes. So to use the reward, you need to simply scan the QR code at the drive-through counter or self-service kiosk. So if you are ordering through the app, apply the code at checkout before placing the order, and that's how you can redeem McDonald's reward points for free food. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more quick tips. Thank you so much for watching.